Can anyone on the call clarify what form they're all going to come into us on, or is that
Well, I didn't
just
ask
wait
you.
later? Yeah, I hear you.
Considering I don't think anybody can hear me, it's too complicated for the moment.
Mm-hmm.
You know, right along in here where you got your first roll of Velcro there. Yeah, that first roll of Velcro was under there. You're gonna cut on the other half of it. You end up doing the same thing down around here too. You end up with a lot of waste because of it. Because the amount of time it takes to cut that out of there. There's one on each side if I open one up. There's one on this side and there's one right in there.
I suppose if you could actually keep them from getting misaligned, you could cut a big stack of them. But you got
but
that
what
danger.
happens
You have
is-
that danger of cutting the middle of the
especially
Velcro.
on the buckle side,
Yep.
it piles up because it's solid. It
Right.
piles up more.
I was wondering if a piece of 2x4 or something that has a weight would help.
Then if you get one like this or it didn't line it up, you gotta cut that little piece out.
That manual brake that I got worked for a couple, but boy, if we got a commercial steel cutting shear,
And on these other pieces, you get a piece there and a piece there. And the only way to get that out is cut one end and then the other.
Yep. So are they not in the same spot?
Well, what it is on a whole long one, that's, if you hold it down, you got one here, they're on the same spot, they're on opposite sides. This, like I said, you pile up some of this and they pile up higher. And it wants to ride down. And then these, you just gotta line them up. And like I said, if you don't take the time to cut these off, you end up wasting that big piece in the middle.
Okay. Hold on, what was I saying?
That's the slowest part, is taking these Velcro pieces out.
Mm.
If all you had to worry about was
Okay.
Yeah. That'd be nice.
Hold on. Oh no, Danny, you're still there?
We good?
But I can't see anything. Connor, can you?
Yeah, no.
All right, I'll stop there. I
I
guess.
think you just